Hello students, so in this video today we are going to do general knowledge for class 7. So we are using this book, this general knowledge from Shritik publication which you have got for class 7. So we are going to start with the first chapter from this, that is our India flag. So in this chapter it is given about the flags. So we are starting with the question A here. Question A. So let's read the short description is given there. Since every ancient times men, families, groups, institution, kings and exhibits prefers to certain object. They used to prefer to certain object like that. In course of time this object started receiving individuals and group importance. It's given they were displayed during peacetime, in battlefield or in ceremonies. Okay, they embraced on the animal hides, bark of trees, etc., so that they could be easily transported, exhibited to manipulate in war and in peace. So in this general knowledge, first chapter it's all about the flag. So number 1, A1, the question is saying, the president of a state, a king or a queen uses a flag that we call a dash. This fly over their official residence, car or any vehicle carrying on one of them. Our president flew a standard till flag in 15 August 1971. That was the day when the principal states of India were de-recognized. So for answer of this is number 1 is presidential flag. Presidential flag. Okay. Now number 2. Okay, number 2 it is saying senior officers of the armed force or the police force fly small flag on the bonnet of their car. We call it as the flagger. Yeah, if you seen a flag on the bonnet of the car, so what is it called? It is called commissioned flag. A officer. Name officer. Okay, number 3. A dash is flown on the rear of ship. The Indian Navy flag is called the dash. Our merchant navy flies the dash. So there are 3 blanks. So I am writing comma and I'll write it is ensign, and the next one it is Indian Naval ensign. And the last one for the question number 3 is white ensign. Okay, this is the answer for number 3. Number 4, let's go to number 4. A dash flies on the masthead of a naval ship. It's a long and trapping flag. It adorns or the commissioned ship only. So the answer for number 4 is Martin flag. Okay, now number 5. A dash used to be rectangular. Today one can have a banner of any shape and it can be used by political parties, business houses, etc. So for number 5 the answer is banner. So this is how we have, this is the answers for question number 1. Sorry, 1 I am saying, question number A. There are 5 questions, so the answers are this. Now let's go to B. Let's go to B. Okay, B, it is saying terms and words connected with the flags. The terms and the words connected with the flags. Okay, number 1. Generally a flag is tied skillfully near the masthead of the hull yard that can be pulled from below in order to open up the flag to fly. In doing so, the person dashes the flag. The Prime Minister of India holds the Indian tricolor on 15 August every year at the Red Fort. So the answer for number 1 is host. It is host. Number 2, it is saying when we accept defeat on an opponent, we lower our flag. The process is called, what the process is called? It is called half mast. half-mast the flag. Now number 3, we execute dash when we display a white flag to our enemy, then we surrender. So the answer for number 3 is trees. Okay, answer is this. Okay, now number 4, the last one from first chapter of this general knowledge. The flag bearer of a team or a group, while saluting a senior or a dignitary, dash as much they march until the team march past the dignitary. So it is bow the flag. It is bow the flag. It is bow the flag. So this is how from the first chapter, that was our Indian flags. Our Indian flag. From the first chapter, our Indian flag. These are the answers for question A and B. Now let's go to the next chapter of this. Now in the next chapter, chapter 2, it is about our India Dhavas. It is our India Dhavas, okay? Our India Dhavas. Okay, it's just in this chapter there is explanation only. There is only explanation only about the flag. Okay. So in ancient India, a flag was called Dhavas and it is represented a king, a warrior or an army. In ancient time, the flag was named as Dhavas. Okay. Just like a modern flag, it had 3 parts. Just like modern flag, it has 3 parts. That time also there was 3 parts. Okay. Okay, the first one was Pataka. It was the cloth of the flag which flutters in the air. Number second was Ketu. The second was Ketu, the crest or the design on the Pataka, and the number C was Yasti. Yasti. It is the flag staff to carry the flag. Okay. So suppose this is the flag. This was the Patak. Okay, here if there was any image, it was crest, okay, and crest or what it is called Ketu, okay, and this one was this one was this one was okay. So this was the explanation about the flag. Okay, so different here, different warriors, okay, the kings have different type of flags. Okay, so this now in number 2 it is explained about size of our national flag that follows standard at set. Okay, so in number 2 it is given the size of the flag, the length and the breadth. Okay, size of the where to use it. Okay, so from 15 centimeter to say 10 centimeter used as table flag, usually made of silk. Both sides of the flag are equally bright. 22.5 centimeter and the breadth is 15 centimeter. Both sides are equally bright, used in car of entitled people. 45 centimeter to 30 centimeter aircraft or entitled person, the president's train, that type of flag is used there. 90 centimeter length and 60 centimeter breadth, inside room, on wall or crossbars. 135 centimeter to 90 centimeter breadth, public building, small. Okay, the flags 180 centimeter to 120 breadth, state and military public buildings. Okay, and 270 centimeter to 180 centimeter, it is parliament building, other important building. That size of flag is used there. And 360 centimeter, 240 centimeter, red fort, Rashtrapati Bhavan. That size of flags are used at different place in India. Okay, so this is all about in chapter 2 of general knowledge. Now let's go to next chapter, chapter 3. So what is chapter 3? It's about our India, great Indians. It's about great Indian. Okay, great Indian. So there are some questions in filling the blanks we have to just answer it. Okay, so the options are also given here for you, so you can take the help of this option and you can write the answers. Okay, number 1, he is Upendra Kishore Roy Chakravarti, famous grandson whose sensitive approach to cinema won him many awards, including an honorary Academy Award for lifetime achievement. Who is he? He is Satyajit Roy. Okay, Satyajit Roy. Okay, number 1 answer. Number 2, known as the Birdman of India, he has been India's most renowned angelologist till date. His autobiography is entitled The Fall of a Sparrow. So the answer for this is Salim Ali. Now number 3, brother of musician Pandit Ravi Shankar, he performed alongside Russian ballerina Anna Pavlova. He created the Indian ballet Hindu Wedding and Radha Krishna. Name him. Who is he? He is Uday Shankar. Okay, number 4. She was India's first woman ambassador and the first woman to selected as the Speaker of the UN General Assembly. She was Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Number 5. Okay, former President of India. He was a philosopher and educationist and also the Vice Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University. So who was he? He was Dr. S. Radhakrishna. Okay. Number 6. He was an immense scholar and social reformer. He worked for the spread of education and improvement of the position of women in society. He fought for widow remarriage and against child marriage. So the answer is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So the answer for number 6 is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Okay. So the answer for number 6 is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Okay. Now let's go to question number 7. Okay. 7 what we have. Known as the father of the White Revolution, he the largest dairy program in India and made India the chief milk producer of world. So who is he? So the answer for 7 is Dr. Varghese Kurin. Okay. Now number 8. He was one of the leaders of Indian freedom struggle. He set up an ashram at Pondicherry. His teaching revolves around the belief that man is only a transitional beginning. So the number 8 answer is Aurobindo Ghosh. Okay, number 9. She was born in Karnal, Haryana, and she was the first Indian American woman to walk in space. She died during her second space mission when her space shuttle Columbus brushed on its way back to Earth. And who was she? The famous, it was Kalpana Chawla. Okay, number 9 answer. Now the last, number 10. He is an outstanding Indian cartoonist associated with the Times of India. He is the winner of the B.D. Goenka Award for Journalism. He also got the Magistry Award in 1984. So the answer is R.K. Lakshman. So with this, these are the answer for chapter 3 of General Knowledge class 7. Okay. So we have completed this. With this, today we will do chapter 1, 2 and 3 from General Knowledge. So In the next class, we'll continue. Okay. Thank you very much.